Stupid bird. Stupid bird. Alright, it's Gary here reporting for bird eating. Today we are focused on a blue jay. Is this collar coming in? Oh, can't tell if it's coming there or not. Alright. Anywho, a pretty blue jay eating my persimmon. It'd be cool if he just ate on one of them. But he comes every day, maybe throughout the day. Just picks a different one to start wailing his stupid face into it. He must get it in his eyeballs. Look at him. Freak. How much he's gonna eat. Look at, he's like punishing it. Bam, bam, bam. I hate you. Bam, bam. I don't know, he softened up a little bit. Let me try to take a picture here. You fucking... Who is this? Somebody's driving. Okay. Stupid. Yuck. Anyways. Bye, bird.